Hello! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Xtel and we're here in a kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a sushi. Specifically, the name of the sushi is Avo Prawn Sushi or Prawn Avo Sushi. If you're interested in this video, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Kaya so I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're gonna need. So first is the sushi rice, sushi hikari sushi rice or premium short grain rice. So aside from this, we can also use glutinous rice, Japanese rice or jasmine rice, any kind of rice. But for me, I'm going to use this one. And I have here the obento yaki nori for sushi. This is the seaweed wrapper for sushi roll. So this one, I bought this in Woolworths, cost me $5 for 750 grams. This one cost me like $3 to $4 for 10 pieces. I have here the avocado, the prawn, this is raw. I have here the breadcrumbs from Obento, panko breadcrumbs, beaten eggs, I think 4 pieces of eggs, seasoned already. We also need vinegar. We're going to mix this to cooked sushi rice so it will not get stick. I also have here the bamboo sushi mat, so it cost me like $1 to $2 in Woolworths. So I decided to put cheese on my Avo Prawn Sushi. I'm going to use the cream cheese bar, and then also at the same time I'm going to put creamy mayonnaise. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm back and I just finished mixing the sushi rice. So 1 cup of sushi rice with this one I mixed with 1/2 vinegar. It says here rice vinegar, but we can use any kind of vinegar except for the apple cider, I think. I also added 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of white sugar. So it's already mixed here. Also, since I'm going to make Avo Prawn Sushi, I deep fried this one instead of making a raw prawn. So I just deep fried this one. I have here the sliced avocado and cheese. So there are 2 kinds of cheese here, cream cheese and the sliced cheese, and cut into strips. So let's begin. So using this one, this is the bamboo wrap. So we have 2 sides of the seaweed wrap. The outer side is this one, which is the shiny part, and this is here on inside. this is my finished product. My homemade sushi, Avo Prawn Sushi. I'm gonna taste it. And my second one is kikuman with lemon. So I'm gonna try this one. Sarap. So I'm gonna let my husband taste and let him be the judge if he likes it or not, because he said he doesn't like sushi, but let's see. So guys, I'm going to let my husband taste homemade sushi and let him be the judge if he likes the taste or not. So try it.
그래 뭐야?
Hindi okay na ba yun? So he likes it. It needs to improve more because it's my first time. So next time I can, you know, improve more. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button. Bye. See you on my next video.
I want you to show me how to get to know